One fine day, Uncle Perez announced, I'm getting married for the fourth time. Who's the unlucky girl this time?
Who's the unlucky girl this time?
Alka's completely won my heart. Her name's Gul-e-Rana, only 22 years old, and the best part, she wants to marry me herself.
Uncle Parvez?
Abuji, shall we go home now? Abuji.
Mummy told me you're a very kind man. You'll pay for my university fees, and with this marriage excuse, I'll also get free accommodation.
It turned out that Gona is actually the daughter of Uncle Parvez's first wife, and she had proven even smarter than her mother.
The mutters. I was only looking for a wife, and you gifted me an entire family.